Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to organize your job skills and certifications in Notion. To start off, you're going to need to create a new page on Notion. Click on the plus sign in the corner and select Page. You can name this page something like Skills and Certifications. This is crucial as it will serve as the central hub for all your professional development documentation. Once we've done that, we can begin inputting our skills. Click Add a new block and select the Table option. In this table, we are going to list all the skills you possess. For each skill, add a brief description and the date you acquired it. This helps us because it not only allows us to keep track of our skills, but also provides a brief overview of what each skill entails. Next up, we're going to add another table for certifications. This is similar to what we did with skills. For each certification, mention the name of the certification, the date you received it, and who awarded it. The reason we do this is to create a thorough record of our achievements, which can be easily accessed and updated. Now, let's add some organization. Notion allows us to add tags to our table entries. Create tags based on the type of skill or certification. For example, you can tag skills as technical, soft skill, or leadership. This helps us because it allows for easy filtering and searching later on. Finally, let's visualize our progress. Add a timeline view to your certifications table to see your professional growth over time. This way, you can easily identify any gaps or areas where you might want to earn new certifications. And that's it. Now you have a clean, organized way to track your skills and certifications. This will help you stay on top of your professional development and provide an easy reference when updating your resume or preparing for job interviews. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep updating and refining your Notion page as you continue to grow and learn.